Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Xbox Series S. You can see I have the regular Series S console right here. This process will also work on the Series X console. However, I do have a dedicated tutorial for Series X, so if you're watching on the Series X, check out my tutorial in the description down below. So how this works is what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to connect our AirPods to an external device, then connect that external device to our Xbox. It's quite simple to do, and by the end, you will have the Xbox game audio coming from your AirPods. So the first step is you want to go on your Xbox right here. You want to open up settings, and then you're going to see right here, devices and connections. Click on this one, find remote features, and make sure you turn on enable remote features. Keep in mind, if your internet is really slow, this tutorial may not work for you. It doesn't really need to be that fast. However, the point is, the audio might be lagging a little bit if your internet is slow. So once you have this turned on, I had a bug where the Xbox Series S was not showing up in the Xbox app. So if you have this bug, like I do, you go System, Console Info, and just change the name of the console, and that will solve any issues you may get with the next steps. So the next step is you need to get the Xbox app completely free to download. You can get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store, so just search for Xbox, download this one. You will need to have your account signed into, so just sign into your Xbox account, make sure it is the same account as the one which is signed into on your Xbox. And all you need to do is you want to find your Series S. Earlier this wasn't working for me. Changing the name of the console fixed it, and or you just want to refresh this right here like that. If you're also having any further issues, tap on the Xbox Series S and then tap on Remote Play on this device. We're gonna turn on Don't Show Again and continue. And so what this is going to do is it's going to remote play. And when you remote play from your device right here, this is an iPad, to your Xbox, what's going to happen is you'll be able to connect your AirPods to this device, and then this device is going to capture the audio from your Xbox. So connect to controller, we'll just tap on continue anyway, and you can see right here, I'm currently remote played onto my Xbox. So the next step, final step, you just want to head over to settings, Bluetooth, and you just want to pair your AirPods to your device. So in my case, I just open up the lid, tap on it right here. If you don't know how to pair AirPods, I recommend to your device, I just recommend you search up how to pair AirPods to, and then your device name. And so all you need to do is move over right here, and we'll just wait for the remote play to turn back on, and just give it a little bit for it to do its thing. There we go, continue anyway, and yeah, the audio is going to play. So keep in mind that it will also play off the TV, so you just want to turn off the audio from your TV if you have that on. And so what I'm going to do here, let's go into Call of Duty Black Ops 3. I'm going to turn up the audio, and let's see if you can hear the audio coming out. Right now nothing's being played, just give it a little bit. And the audio is actually really quiet because it's on this menu, but let's see if you can hear that. Move it right next to the mic. Oh no, if you can, it's actually not playing any audio right now. Let's go into a game. Let's go into a cinematic. So we'll do Shadows of Evil and just give it a little bit. So I have audio to the max here. And once this is done, you should be able to hear that it's coming from the AirPods. So I'm going to put the AirPods right here. So you should be able to hear it. Do keep in mind that I'm assuming you can also hear the TV audio. The audio from the AirPods is a bit delayed. It really depends on your internet, like how much delay you're going to have, all that good stuff. But yeah, for the most part, everything is fully working. And yeah, I've successfully, unofficially really connected my AirPods to my thingy. And also this works as, a way if you just want to play on your bed, whatever, play some Xbox. Because honestly, the lag between my device and the TV is very tiny. I can't even really notice it, so I guess that also works as well. You also set up remote play, so you can use that for the future. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.